How you doing, guys? Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in this beautiful world. My name is Victor Anyanwu, and they call me the social media oracle. You are welcome to my show, right? So on this show, I talk about social media, everything, beginning to the end, A to Z. Social media marketing, social media tactics, social media strategies, social media weapons, social media tools, right? I talk about everything social media, all right? So today I'm going to talk to you about a few things that I've been thinking about, since 2021, right? And I've been thinking, what do I expect in 2021? What can I do to improve results in 2021? So what do we expect? All right? And that's what we're talking about. All right? Well, that's what I want to talk about. Okay? And I hope it will be beneficial to you. If your friends are around, you can invite them to watch this video too. If they are not, save the video and share with them thereafter. Okay? Please, you can click the like button. You can subscribe if you haven't. All right? And I'll be with you in Okay, so I'm back. Now, this is it. Instagram, Facebook, right, said that they are going to focus more on becoming search friendly, right? Normally when you do a search for keywords or certain things you're looking for, most times you might not find those things on Instagram or on Facebook. You probably just find it on maybe a regular website and stuff, okay? But these guys have said they're going to focus on being more search friendly. So what does that mean for an advertiser or for a content creator on Facebook and Instagram? This is what it means. It means that if you are creating content, you have to pay more attention now to your keywords. Don't just use all those your village terms, all right? All those your village yarnings and stuff. Use your village yarnings, yes, so that folks around you or those around your area or that understand the term that will search for it can find you. But you also have to use keywords that those that don't understand that term will also understand. So when they do their search too, they would also be able to find you. Do you understand? What am I saying? What I'm saying is this. Your focus should be on creating captions with important keywords, with keywords that you want to be found with. So if you are a teacher, for example, and you teach, so you want to be using keywords related to teaching, students, people, classrooms, all right? Talking about the teaching experience, all those kind of things are the kind of things you have to use more and more so that your content will be found in search. All right? So that goes for everybody, no matter your industry, right? These guys want to make sure that the content is found in search, right? And generally, search engines work with keywords, okay? So your captions now, you have to be a bit more deliberate about it. Create captions that send a message. Create captions that connect. Create captions that have the keywords of your industry or have the keywords of the services you provide or the products you sell, so that when people do a search for those keywords, they will find your posts, all right, and enjoy the content that you're providing and probably get to the place where they also see what you're selling. Do you understand? All right. So for me, I always say when I teach SEO, search engine optimization, right, that your keywords are not the ones that you have created or the ones that you like. Your keywords should be the words that people are using to search, right? So if, for example, you would rather be called a pilot, for example, rather than a taxi driver, you'd rather be called a pilot, right? And you now use pilot to describe yourself, right? The people that are looking for your services, will they use pilot to search for you? No. Right? So your keywords shouldn't be words that you like, or shouldn't be words that you enjoy, or words that you feel are nice, or explain your brand in the way that you like. No. Your keywords should be words that people searching for your services or for your products are using to search for you. So the focus should be on the people, right? So what are they using? What keywords are they using? All right, what words are they using to communicate? Those are the words that you should include in your captions when you're writing out all these things. Do you understand? I hope I've been able to make some sense. And if you do that, you'll be found more. All right? Okay, so the other thing is you also have to learn to use all the tools these guys have launched, right? In 2020, LinkedIn launched events, LinkedIn Live, polls, stories. Twitter started fleets, all right? Facebook did reels and guides, all right? These are new tools, right? You should be using all these tools because when they launch tools, they would want to push those tools as much as possible so that people will be able to find content that have been created with those tools. Do you understand? So if, for example, you're creating a video, right? Do more short form videos, with those reels. Reels take, 15, 30 seconds, right? So do that. So do more reels, all right? Create more guides so that people can find your content and read and link to further content so that you can keep them reading and spending more time on your platform. All right. Now, the more time they spend on your platform, the more Instagram thinks, oh, God, this guy's creating some good content. So because he's creating some good content, what do? Show his content to more people, and they keep showing you to more people. So you keep getting expansions, you keep getting views, you keep getting saves, you keep getting comments, likes. You appear in the explore page. All right. But all of that happens because people are interacting with your content. And that is happening because you are creating different types of content, right? Most people create regular content for the feed. Yes, that's okay, right? But you have to be using stories, all right? You have to be using reels. You have to be using guides, all right? You have to be using statuses if it's on WhatsApp, all right? Very, very important. For LinkedIn, you have to learn to use LinkedIn Live, using LinkedIn events, not just LinkedIn feed posts. So LinkedIn Live, LinkedIn events, LinkedIn LinkedIn posts, LinkedIn stories, all right? Twitter fleets, okay? It's important to do all of that. If you do Twitter fleets, you just notice those notifications and say, oh, so and so person posted the fleet. Quickly check on it before it disappears, right? So they do all of that. They're trying to encourage people to visit all those areas. So you want to make sure that you are using all these new tools that they have created, okay? So in 2021 too, you also want to make sure that you're creating short form videos. I've mentioned that already. Short form videos, all right? Just show us 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4, all right? Teaching something, right? That's videos that you can now share on platforms like YouTube, and the rest. But you probably want to do shorter videos because of things like your reels, right? Reels takes 15 and 30 seconds. So reels, statuses, stories take shorter videos, right? So you want to create shorter videos too, videos in seconds. You just want to do you just want to do something interesting and relatable. All those perfect pictures, perfect videos, that look so cool. They are nice, right? But many times, many people consuming content just feel, RNG is not real. That can't happen, right? So how do you communicate with those ones, right? How do you build that trust? You need to show them a little bit of your scattered nature, right? A little bit of your behind the scenes, right? A little bit of the things that didn't really go well, right? Show them a little bit of that, right? So that's what you can share with your reels. That's what you can share on your statuses, right? Something short, 3 minutes, 40 minutes, get attention. If it gets any engagement, what will happen is Instagram will push it for more people to see, right? So do this across all social media platforms, right? So use all these new tools that they've created. Make 2021 a better year than 2020, okay? Now, I'm going to keep on sharing more videos about things that I expect for 2021 and advice that I'll be giving. Excuse me. And advice I'll be giving to people and how I think you can take advantage of social media this year. All right. So watch the next video where I explain a few more things. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, send me a message on WhatsApp, 234 81 77 10 82 67, and I will respond. All right, I can't wait to hear from you. This is your year. If you have issues with social media, if you have issues with Facebook ads, if you have issues, whatever the issues are, as long as it's social media related, please send me a line, talk to me. Let's talk. I can probably help you fix that. Okay. If you have marketing issues and you're probably too busy, you can't run social media marketing on your own, all right? I run an agency that handles social media marketing. Okay, so we can do that for you. All right, so send me a message, send me a DM on WhatsApp, send me a message on WhatsApp, send me a DM on Instagram. I am at the Oracle VA, at TheOracle across all social media platforms. All right, so send me a message and we can talk. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.